the night. We carve our names into the stone and step into the open light to claim a path that is our own. The canvas waits for every line. The heavy wood begins to bend. We watch the shifting shadows align and wonder where the borders end. We throw the heavy iron keys into the deep and silent lake and catch the sudden summer breeze with every choice we choose to make. So let the roaring fire wake. The quiet spaces in the chest. For every promise we might break, we find a place to build our nest. The map is torn, the direction clear. We feel the thunder in our stride. With nothing left to hold or fear, we move together with the tide. The glass is full, the table set. We taste the bitter and the sweet without a whisper of regrets. Where two opposing currents meet, the mirror shows a different face, a deeper gaze, a stronger hand. We learn to run a swifter pace across the shifting desert sand. We throw the heavy iron keys into the deep and silent lake and catch the sudden summer breeze with every choice we choose to make. So let the roaring fire wake. The quiet spaces in the chest. For every promise we might break, we find a place to build our nest. The map is torn, the direction clear. We feel the thunder in our stride. With nothing left to hold or fear, we move together with the tide. The heavy storm has passed us by. The dust is settling on the floor. We look into a brilliant sky and push against the final door. The breath is deep, the spirit wide, a steady pulse within the dark. So let the roaring fire wake. The quiet spaces in the chest. For every promise we might break, we find a place to build our nest. The map is torn,